Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need to act now. Open the app and go straight to Settings or your profile edit. Once there, find the emoji, avatar, or keyboard input option and tap it to enter editing mode. You do this because some apps separate keyboard emoji from avatar emoji. Selecting the right menu saves time. Make sure to allow any permission prompts so the app can access keyboard or avatar assets. From here, you'll choose a new emoji source. Keep it simple and pick the built-in or custom option to continue. Now you customize. Select either the built-in emoji set or upload a custom image or GIF if the app allows it. You'll adjust size, color modifiers, skin tone, or accessories so the emoji reads well at small sizes. This matters because tiny details get lost. Once you've tweaked appearance, preview the emoji in the message field or profile bubble. Make sure the contrast and facial expressions remain clear. If not, simplify shapes or increase contrast. When satisfied, move to Save and Apply. Finish by tapping Save or Apply and confirm the change appears in your profile or keyboard selection. Once done, test by sending a message to yourself or viewing the profile where the emoji shows. This confirms it applied globally. If you don't see the new emoji, restart the app and check keyboard settings. Make sure to clear cache or reinstall only if restart fails, because reinstall resets preferences. One key tip: check app version and permissions first. Outdated apps often block custom emoji changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.